Midwifery means something different in every culture. Chances are a midwife helped bring you or someone you love into the world, whether at home or in the hospital.
Here in Atandawa, midwives known as parteras are at the heart of community and maternal care.
Meet Joaquina, Jenny, Maria, and Julia, 4 of the 11 parteras in the county of Guaranda who have dedicated their lives to supporting women, newborns, and families. Through ancestral knowledge passed down across generations, they provide care, guidance, and comfort during some of life's most important moments.
This ancestral knowledge is at risk of disappearing. In hopes of strengthening intercultural health, the Ecuadorian government introduced Article 32 in the 2008 Constitution, guaranteeing intercultural health to all citizens, in hopes of building bridges between modern medicine and traditional practices. Yet, in reality, these practices are still endangered. Due to historical dynamics and marginalization, midwives lack the national recognition and support they deserve. They do not receive any financial compensation for their life-enabling work and are being overtaken by conventional health systems.
Despite the barriers they face, the midwives of the county of Guaranda remain committed and dedicated to preserving their ancestral knowledge.
Our project is to support and legitimize midwives, strengthen them as a group, and facilitate their relationship with other actors involved in bettering maternal health.
We need your contribution. With the funds we collect, we will do the following.
1. Transportations for the midwife to attend the National Congress.
Number 2, organize workshops with other institutions.
3. Support the formation of a regional organization of midwives.
We're international students. I'm Gabby from Belgium.
I'm Zoe from California.
I'm Alice from France.
And I'm Soli from Iowa.
Thank you!